Alright guys, this is the unboxing of a computer chair I got from Amazon. It's the executive high back chair. Computer chair, and right off of Amazon. Had this here for a couple of weeks now. And here's the unboxing. I have no idea how to put this together, but we'll figure it out. So this is the screws, plastic caps, and an Allen key. It's probably all that I need to put this together. Also, we have here the wheels, center post. And this is the chair itself. So we can see here it's a nice looking leather. Yep, it smells like leather. So here's the Allen key. This is basically telling me the front, and it's kind of self-explanatory. I already have an idea how a chair is supposed to look. And it's 4 screws. I need 4 screws. Really self-explanatory, and I shouldn't have a hard time putting this together. So putting the wheels in, this is pretty heavy. This can hurt somebody. So just put the wheels, push it in, grab another wheel, just push it in. So it's real easy to get this thing together. It doesn't lock in. And it looks like that's basically it. It just adjust it. That's basically it. So it's a nice, comfortable chair. Oh, these last bolts are to lock this in place. But if you don't want to, you don't have to, I guess. Basically, that is the screw. I guess just for aesthetic purposes. We just shove this cover in there, and everything looks, symmetric. Look good. And the other side. So I'm going to just give you guys. So one screw you have to put into the side just to lock the backrest. So bro, how it feels?
Well, it feels very comfortable, unlike other chairs that find it hard to swing. This I'm able to swing freely.
It's real loose.
Really loose, but I still have control over it.